Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be walking you through how to make money with video editing on Fiverr. It's a summary. The first thing you need to do is choose a niche. You need to specialize, for example YouTube, TikTok ads to stand out. Then number two you need to do is create a high converting gig. Use SEO titles, before and after samples, and tiered pricing. You can do it between $20 to $500 as for your price. Next, that is step 3, is to optimize for Fiverr SEO. Use keywords like YouTube editor in titles and tags. Highlight benefits in descriptions. The fourth step is to master tools. Use free DaVinci Resolve or paid Premiere Pro software plus royalty-free music. Then fifth step is to promote your gig. Bid on buyers' requests, post edits on social media, and upsell subscriptions. The sixth step is to deliver 5-star service like over-deliver, organize files, and politely ask for reviews. The lastly is to scale up by offering channel management, run promoted gigs, and reuse templates. Pro tip: start with one niche, then expand. Top sellers earn about $5,000 per month by specializing and retaining clients. Hope you found this video helpful.